All right, let's take a look at decimals to fractions. So these can be easily confuse people, really, but they don't need to. Okay, so let's say the first one is 0.0025. Okay, and everybody's like, I have no idea. Okay, so here's how you do it. So what you do is you sort of start off like so what if it said 0.25? Okay, so I think we would all be good that 0.25 equals 1/4, and of course we're assuming here that you can't use a calculator. Won't really help you though, because it's not going to tell you how to get it to 1/4. Okay, so 0.25 equals 1/4. So every time we put a 0 to the right of the decimal point, is you add a 0 to the denominator. Let me say that one more time, and we'll show you what I mean. If you add a 0 to the right of the decimal point, so like here, so if we have, there's 1 0 to the right of the decimal point, 0.025, then we add 1 0 to the denominator. That's actually the right answer, believe it or not, right? And so if we look at the question that they actually asked us here in the beginning, right, which was 0.0025, okay, so if 0.25 was 1/4, 0.025 was 1/40th, then when we have two zeros to the right rather than one, we had one more zero at the bottom. We get 1/400. That's our answer. Okay, so that's how you do it. Right, you start off with the decimal point that you can handle, where you know what that equals as a fraction, and then you start adding zeros. Okay, so let's look at another one. Okay, it's a really similar type of question. So, oops, let me get my marker back. So what if it was 0.0040? Okay, maybe we look at that at first, we're like, man, I don't know. Okay, so start off with, how about 0.40, right? Would we be comfortable with saying that's 4/10? Okay, now what about 0.040? Okay, so if 0.40 was 4/10, and 0.040 was 4 out of 100. Okay, we got that. Then 0.0040, right? Here we just have 1 0 in front of the 4. Here we have 2, right? So one more 0. So that means add a 0 down at the bottom, and we get 4 out of 1,000. 4 1,000ths for an answer. Hopefully starting to make sense. And let's do one more. Okay, here we go. All right, this one looks like fun. 0.00075. Okay, so again, we don't want to look at it and just freak out and be like, I don't know, man, I hate math. Start off with 0.75. Yeah, 0.75 equals 3/4. We're all happy with that, hopefully. Okay, then what about 0.075? Right, so we added 1 0, and so we're going to add 1 0 to the denominator, 3/40. Okay, 3/40. Right, and so this one though has 3 zeros where this one only had 1. So that means from here I need to add 2 more zeros to the denominator, right? 3 stays there, but rather than 40, I need to add 2 more zeros. There's 1, there's 2, there's my answer. 3 out of 4,000. So anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you do decimals to fractions. It can look complicated at first, but you just got to know this rule, and then you're good to go.